As you might have noticed, token listing is launching, and the IC Panda team is testing their very own first token. Okay, and so this is 1Pay.ing, and this is for test purposes only. Okay, you do not put your real money in, but why you should participate in this? Because simply you will be eligible for an airdrop. Okay, let's start with this. So first of all, we need to come here and we will send one USDC to your Phantom wallet. Okay, we'll choose Solana, and here you just place in your Solana address, but wait, you have to enter this developer mode. Okay, so this is a pre-recorded video, as you can see, because I'm on desktop. And so you come there and wallet settings, developer settings, and there it is, testnet mode. Okay, enable this one. Okay, and then just copy your wallet address and place it in here, send one USDC. Once you have done that, then come here to 1Pay.ing. We'll check this out later, but now quickly. So launch wallet, connect wallet, and just connect your Phantom wallet. Now go to TokenList.ing and log in with your internet identity. And now we will just place a bid. Okay, so come in here, deposit. Okay, just put in one USDC and sign this. That's all it takes, really. So in a while we will verify it, and soon I will be eligible for the airdrop. Going to show up right here. Yep, there it is. So that's basically all for this tutorial. If you do not understand something, write a comment. I'm on OpenChat. Join ICP Kingdom.